Hello, children. Welcome back. I hope all of you are keeping well. Today, St. Joseph's High School, Agripada presents before you International Day of Peace, that is 21st of September 2021. International Day of Peace is celebrated on 21st September every year and is also known as World Peace Day. The United Nations General Assembly has declared this as a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace through observing 24 hours of non-violence. The purpose to celebrate this day is to create an awareness in the people about the importance of peace. The peace dove, flying with an olive branch in its beak, is one of the most commonly featured symbols for the day. To celebrate this day, the world is invited to spread compassion, kindness and hope in the face of COVID-19 pandemic and stand together. So, in the face of COVID-19 pandemic, let's stand together, spreading kindness, love and hope. Let us become a channel of peace and try to change hatred with love, darkness with light, sadness with joy, despair with hope. So children, in our own little ways, let us pledge and try to spread love, peace and happiness around us. Let us now have a look at the quotes on peace. Peace will save the world. We need peace for a better life. You and I can together make this earth a happier place. So on World Peace Day, let's take a step towards a peaceful world. Use words, not weapons. Let your anger release and bring in peace. Peace begins with a smile. So children, on this International Peace Day, let us begin our day with a smile. So wishing you all a very happy World Peace Day. Thank you.